Wailana is a successful content writer. She has a third-party liability insurance. However, she didn't think of libel and slander that could arise from the content she writes. Is it because she is unaware of the exposures her business brings? Max is a senior manager at a travel company. In the interest of the company, he did something that could possibly bring financial liability to both him and the organization. Does he have any insurance protection for the same? Alex is an experienced HR head at a large corporate. Escalating medical insurance costs year after year leave him absolutely stressed. How can he manage this? Have healthier and happy employee population without prejudicing the cover, at the same time controlling costs? Wailana, Max and Alex have insurance policies bought off the shelf. But what they really need is a bespoke solution. Meet Ramita Sethi, 30 years in insurance. Arun Diani, 20 years in the industry. Vinny Na, 12 years in the insurance market. This is Team Indemnity, corporate insurance brokers, the solution to your bespoke insurance needs.
As the organizations evolve, new exposures evolve. And sometimes the basic insurances which they were taking are not so important compared to the larger exposures they have as an evolved entity. We sort of bring in front those exposures and then help them make a commercial call on it, whether they want to retain those risks or transfer those risks.
How is indemnity different from others?
We have a mix of people who come from the industry background, who come from the insurer's background, and we have a broker's background. This way, we are able to club the combined experiences of what exactly a client needs, how an insurer reacts to that situation, and how does a broker marry the two things.
Indemnity Insurance Brokers was recommended through a colleague from another business group. We were looking for a strong insurance provider with a solid network supported by an honest, dedicated team who would meet our demands.
Often, companies purchase insurance like a commodity without completely understanding their risks or their magnitude.
We try to marry the internal processes because when we have 30 to 40 subsidiaries, it's about managing 35 to 40 different individuals, different level of customers. So we try to marry the internal process of the customers along with the insurance company's processes, and we try to put in a process in place so that we take them along throughout the year and not just do the transaction surveys.
We at Rack Insurance started associating with indemnity insurance brokers since the time they launched into the market in 2017. We see a quite unique proposition that indemnity insurance brokers have put on the table. They really value add to the client. They really value add to the insurer.
Designing bespoke insurance solutions for property, group medical, group life, credit liabilities, including financial liabilities, Team Indemnity definitely shows how experience wins above all.
Of late, medical insurance costs have been a challenge, and our approach to that is very analytical, very rational based, and for a client to take control of what is happening with the insurance premium spent and the claim fund created behind it to manage their exposures.
From local to multinational companies, this team has serviced them all. Indemnity deals with most insurers in the market. To name a few: MetLife, Orient, Adnic, AXA, Oman, RSA, Racnic, and many more. Insurance comes about like a complicated game, but indemnity can make it absolutely hassle-free to deal with risks.
They are all doing a great job of making insurance easy and affordable when times are tough.
Ramita and her team not only met but exceeded our expectations for all our needs.
Indemnity is bespoke. Indemnity is the solution. While Anna clearly did not understand her risks, but now she does. Max can now work hassle-free. He has insurance protection. And yes, Alex no longer needs to worry about escalating medical insurance costs, because now they each have indemnity.